Hi there! Check out this 2-pack of 17-quart plastic storage bins with lids designed for art supplies and more. Each box features a 2-layer design with a removable top tray that has 5 compartments for small items. The bottom tray is extra deep, perfect for larger tools, crafts, or toys like Legos. These clear, stackable bins measure about 16 by 12 by 7 inches and help keep your space organized whether at home, school, or office. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, they have secure buckle lids to prevent spills during transport. Ideal for storing crayons, beads, sewing supplies, photos, and more, they offer versatile organization options. Plus, they come with a lifetime warranty to ensure long-lasting use and satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.